Hello, this is how to operate 4K Ultra HD, the cheapest dash cam. So this is the open, the power. So it's open, and if you want to go to the menu, here's the Wi-Fi. To connect to the Wi-Fi, so it has a Wi-Fi. If you want to connect it to the Wi-Fi and see it in the phone, you need to download these apps. These apps, Go Plus Cam. See that, Go Plus Cam. So it has it on Google Play Store. Not that. This, you need to download these apps. When you download it, you open the apps. See it, and connect to device. See, this is the name of my dash cam. You just press it there, then go back. It's already connected. You can go back and see it's already connected to my dash cam. So I'm gonna show you another tutorial. You can just press this again if you want to disconnect it. See, it's already disconnected. So if you want to see the menu, you can just check it here again. See, that's the menu. So it has a resolution. This app if you want to press, and then here's the OK. See it? Yes, like that. So that's it. No.